Hello, I'm Victoria and I'll show you the new Samsung Galaxy Tab 7.7. The tablet hasn't been launched yet in Romania, which is why it doesn't come in the final packaging, but the components are identical. Besides the tablet, those who will buy the new device from Samsung will get a charger, a travel adapter, a data cable, also used to charge the tablet, a handset, and spares. The tablet has a 7.7-inch screen, a weight of 340 grams, and a 7.89mm thickness, which means that it's thinner than a regular pencil. The back cover is metallic, it looks like aluminium. Here we have the on-off button, the volume buttons, an infrared port for smart remote, two speakers, a microphone, slots for charging, microSD and SIM, an audio jack and microphone, front camera of 2 megapixels and a 3.2 megapixel back camera along with a LED flash. The tablet has a 1.4 GHz dual-core CPU, meaning it's very quick. The operating system is Honeycomb 3.2, optimized for the 7-inch screen. The user interface is Samsung TouchWiz UX, which uses a live panel to modify the screen according to taste, mini apps for multitasking, and clipboard to copy text and image easily. The screen is Super AMOLED Plus with 1280 by 1800 pixels resolution, which provides a very clear image. Superior contrast, which results in a clear color separation. The tablet also has an accelerometer for auto rotate. The tablet comes with the usual Android apps such as Gmail, Android Market, navigation, Samsung apps, and YouTube. The most interesting applications which have captured my attention are the game, music, social, and Reader's Hub, which bring together all your accounts and preferences. For example, in the Reader's Hub, you can read magazines, newspapers, or books, like an ebook. Here we have the Wizard of Oz. Polaris Office you use instead of Microsoft Office. You may notice the swipe keyboard, make a new file, and this is the swipe keyboard. Another application is the smart remote, which helps you control your TV. With Pen Memo, you can write your notes as you please. Let's demonstrate. Games, as well as movies, run perfectly on this tablet. Let's see. After testing this tablet, I can recommend it to anyone, regardless if they are using it for work, for fun, or to surf the internet. In my opinion, it's the best tablet on the market right now.